Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the blue screen error code faulty hardware corrupted page blue screen issue that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 device. So this can definitely be an annoying issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it and start by opening up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now I'm going to have two commands in the description of my video. The first one is a dism command. So just copy that to your clipboard. So just right click, copy, or use the control C shortcut on your keyboard. And then navigate over to the command prompt window. Right click on the top bar here. Select edit and then select paste to paste in this first command. Hit enter on your keyboard. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that command's done running, you're going to go ahead and copy the second command. It's going to be an SFC command, and then just paste it into the command prompt like you did with the first one. Just go up to the top bar again, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. Hit enter. This game will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And you want to go save and close out of any open programs and applications, and go ahead and restart your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Should be as simple as that. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.